Hi sellers! Pag-usapan natin kung paano maging compliant sa Unified Packaging Guidelines kung nagbebenta ka ng items with manufacturer's packaging. Ang items na may manufacturer's packaging ay gumagamit ng seals, which may prevent sellers from adding fillers inside. If your item has the following: holographic seal, do not accept if seal is broken type of seal, manufacturer's seal for official brands, shrink wrap, clam, or tear-away resealable, then they may be considered as seals. These seals do not have to be removed para lagyan ng fillers. However, kailangan nyo pa rin lagyan ng mga cushioning material tulad ng bubble wrap around the original packaging. If may branding ang manufacturer's packaging, kailangan i-cover muna ito with tape or bubble wrap to avoid theft or tampering. Afterwards, wrap it with at least 2 layers of bubble wrap or use air columns that are sealed or taped across all sides. Items with manufacturer's packaging that are in non-corrugated boxes should be placed inside a box. Gumamit ng single-walled corrugated box para sa mga item na less than 10 kilograms at double-walled corrugated box naman para sa 10 kilograms and above. Remember to put fillers if there's remaining space on the box to prevent movement in transit and to follow correct packaging guidelines depending on the product type. Always use sturdy, good quality packaging. Iwasan ang paggamit ng recycled or manipis na box regardless kung ito ay additional layer of packaging lamang or as an outer packaging. Lastly, always use a black bubble wrap or black stretch film as outside box packaging before putting warning labels and airway bills. For more information about the Unified Packaging Guidelines, bisitahin ang Seller Education Hub.